Welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year to everyone. Got a new recipe today. It's called Nasi Goreng. It's an Indonesian cuisine. It's an absolutely delicious rice dish. You could do with chicken or seafood. I'm going to do with chicken today. I love seafood nasi goreng. I never tasted chicken. Today I'm going to taste it. Let's see how to make our delicious nasi goreng now. I have tasted nasi goreng in Sri Lankan food courts during my stay in Sri Lanka. So today I got an idea to make that recipe and share with you. Nasi goreng means fried rice in Indonesian and Malay. Nasi goreng is stronger and spicier than Chinese fried rice, but I used medium spicy. You can serve this rice dish with sliced tomatoes, fried egg and cucumber. So our nasi goreng is ready to eat. I hope you all enjoy this dish. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.